going to have a go at fitting bubble arches. Now, I've not done steel bubble arches on an Escort before. I've done fiberglass ones on my Pop, and they sort of went where it suited me. But of course I want to get this right. Now, I'm not entirely sure, and if anybody knows, then let me know if I'm going wrong here, where to put the arch. So I've fitted it up so far with that edge and that edge being same with marrying up to that edge and that edge, and I've drawn a line around that, as you can see. Now my plan was simply to come in 2 inches from that line all the way around and cut that out, and that's going to give me 2 inches 4.5. Where it goes up and down is pretty obvious because you've got those indentations there, marry up with the swage line there, the same on the back there and there. So height of it is pretty obvious. It's 4.5. Now I don't want to put it on, then build the car back up again and realise the wheels look stupid. So the purpose of this video is if anybody knows a set measurement, for example, do you know, or even better, if you have a bubble arch car, if you could measure from the door line there for me where the crease is to where that would be on the car. So with the wing loosely clamped on, what I'm looking for is a measurement from just along the crease line from the edge of the door to there. That'll give me my 4.5 measurement. Or am I right with simply lining up the arches with existing arches, and that's just naturally goes where it should go. So any help with that would be massively appreciated, and it's going to look rather lovely with the arches on. Thanks for watching, and if you can't help, please do help.